We are getting crafty for the holidays. Sewing and craft expert Denise Wild has some fun ideas to get you in the festive spirit. Good morning.
Good morning, Annette. Yes, I have lots of things to keep those little hands busy.
Okay, so I'll have to watch you then, because I love it when you're in the studio, and we will be eventually.
I know.
So right
One
now
day
I will participate through you.
Okay. Okay, so first let's start off with a Christmas village centerpiece. This is really cute and very easy to do. I just took some existing Christmas village homes, spray painted them. I used the Rust-Oleum metallic spray paint, which won't rub off, and it's got a bright reflective finish. I put those on the tray, added some trees, some greenery, and then glue everything down. I used the LePage 100% glue, so it's indoor, outdoor, sticks to pretty much any material. And then you have this beautiful Christmas village. I got all of this from Lowe's. So in addition to everything you need for home improvement and DIY, they've got a great selection of holiday decor as well.
And that's a good way of reusing things that maybe if you've got little villages that don't really all go together, right? That's a good way of unifying
Exactly.
them. Yeah, I like that.
Exactly. Just spray paint them, they look good. Okay, next up, I have a great idea for hanging all of those Christmas cards. So this is a creative way. All those cards that are coming in, we hope people are still sending cards because it's such a nice, wonderful touch. So you can make, I just put a metal hook, like kind of a keychain holder. I wrap some ribbon around it, and then you can hang these up. So I use the Command Designer hooks to hang these. They are perfect for holiday decorating because they don't leave any marks, any holes, any sticky residue. And then once the season's over, when you're cleaning up and decorations need to be taken down, it's easy. They've also got hanging solutions for outside your home too. So these little, displays for your cards just are so nice and creative. A nice way to show off all those holiday cards that are coming in.
And then how are you attaching the cards to the ribbon?
I taped them on the back, but you could use little clips too, whatever you want. I did tape across the back. Yeah.
Oh, I like that. I like that.
Okay, next up, let's get, so these are kind of little trinkets, little gifts. These work really well as gift toppers or just school friend gifts, anything like that. What I did was I used some craft kits. So these are the kid-made modern kits. I also used the Cricut Joy Smart Cutting Machine. So you can make these little tiny gifts, and they're just perfect for putting on top of a gift or for, giving to somebody individually. And then I got all of this from Staples Canada. They're a great gifting destination for stylish smart picks at any price point. If you go to staples.ca/holiday, you'll see they've got an online gifting center. It helps you choose gifts for everyone on your list. And of course, you can give the actual kits themselves too.
That's a great idea. And then I see you're making cards as well.
Yes, so if you have envelopes and you want to dress them up, let's say you're putting something inside an envelope, you can use sticky paper or glitter paper to decorate them, construction paper, whatever you want. So I made these little holiday characters out of the envelopes, and this is perfect for putting the unique gift inside. So I've got the Gifts for Good catalog from the Canadian charity Children Believe. There are over 50 gifts at different price points inside that help children around the world get access to basic necessities, including food, water, health care, and education. And they have a goal of helping 500,000 children access education by 2024. So this is an amazing, thoughtful gift. You can put it into a homemade envelope too.
I like that idea. So it's not necessarily an envelope you could put in the mail, but it's one that you can tuck into the tree, right? Which is a nice idea.
Exactly. Yeah, exactly. Or give it by hand.
Okay, I'm feeling festive already. Thank you. Thank you, Denise.
Lots to do.
Merry Christmas to you.
Happy holidays.